Good morning, everyone. Welcome to clinOXY session on artificial intelligence in clinical research and health informatics. I want to tell you something about clinOXY Solutions Private Limited. We are only the first clinical research organization introducing artificial intelligence in clinical research and health informatics approved by Indian Pharmaceutical Association and American Accreditation Association in India. I feel great where I'm introducing about our company clinOXY Solutions Private Limited. clinOXY having national and international accreditations. When I'm introducing about national accreditations, we are only the first clinical research organization approved by Indian Pharmaceutical Association. And we have another accreditations like LSSDC, Skill India, ISO, MSME, and central government affiliated. And we have startup recognition in India. And coming to international accreditations, we are only the first clinical research organization in India approved by American Accreditation Association. And I feel great when I'm introducing about our esteemed and visionary CEO Satish Kumar Vambarapu sir. Satish Kumar Vambarapu sir having 11 plus years of experience in different departments like clinical research, pharmacovigilance, clinical data management, regulatory affairs, and medical devices. Sir worked in different MNC companies and CRO companies like Paraxel, CleanChoice, Sign, Tech Mahindra, and Granules India Limited. Sir having awards and recognitions. Sir having Career Empowerment Award 2022 award in VIP and Indian Pharmaceutical Association Telangana branch. We are getting some disturbances. We are going to continue the session. Yeah. Sorry for the inconvenience because of like we are students are getting unmute themselves. Okay. So yeah, continuing introducing about our visionary CEO having a awards and recognitions. Sir having Career Empowerment Leader Award 2022. He got VIP in IPA branch in Telangana. Sir having attended a 73rd IPC speaker in Hyderabad and 72nd IPC speaker in Pune and speaker in IPA SF Congress, Haryana and Raipur. And sir having another regulatory notified body, TUU and SUD. And he certified as a advanced career counselor. Yes. I feel great. I want to listen few words from our visionary CEO Satish Kumar Vambarapu sir. Hello sir, good morning.
Hello Ravi, a very good morning. A warm
Thank you sir.
welcome to everyone, and thank you for your introduction, Ravi. And
Yes.
I want to congratulate you guys because you are going to know something new about artificial intelligence in clinical research and health informatics. As Ravi introduced, in India, we are the only organization introduced artificial intelligence in clinical research and health informatics as a dual method of knowledge. As we are aligned with the international standards, clinOXY recently got affiliated by American Accreditation Association. This is what the certificate it is. We are also having different certifications from central government of India, also affiliated by Indian Pharmaceutical Association. So in this session, you people are going to know about what exactly clinical research and clinical trials, how artificial intelligence plays a crucial role in clinical data collection and clinical data finalization, especially into clinical trials. As we know, clinical trials, without clinical research and clinical trials, we can't release the drug or the device into the market, whether it is a vaccine or a pharmaceutical product or a medical device. So, in this development process, clinical research plays a crucial role. According to the market trends, artificial intelligence playing a very crucial role data gathering. How data will be finalized, how the data will be submitted to the regulatory authority. As we know, health informatics also playing a crucial role in development process of a drug or a vaccine or a medical device. Okay, so hope everyone is ready to learn something new to equip ourselves to get a corporate job in top MNC companies. And once again, wishing you good luck, everyone. Kindly, please listen carefully. This will help you guys to know about clinical research, clinical trial, artificial intelligence, and health informatics. Okay, I'm just leaving you to Ravi. Ravi, you can go ahead, Ravi.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for your words. I want to introduce our esteemed mentor, Dr. Gagi Singh. She is having a more than 12 years of experience in clinical research industry, and now she is working as a AI department manager in top MNC company. Today's esteemed speaker, esteemed mentor, Dr. Gargi Singh, working as a manager in top MNC company. Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah.
Are you there, ma'am?
Yes. Thank you, Ravi. Good morning, everyone. Thank you,
Good morning.
Satish, for providing me this opportunity.
Yeah,
Everywhere,
thanks.
Yeah,
yeah.
thank you,
Thank
Dr.
you.
Gargi. Really, I was impressed about when I am reading about your profile, what my team members shared. Thank you so much. You are just giving your service to the society to learn something new. As a corporate employee, you are working in top MNC companies and still you are working for the society to increase the opportunities for life sciences graduates in India it means a lot. Thank you, Dr. Gargi, and go ahead.
I'm
Thank you.
handing the
Thank you,
session to
Satish,
you,
so much.
Gargi Singh, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah. So, everyone, here, myself, I have done my PhD in life sciences. And now, previously, I was working as a subject matter expert. hmm, as a subject matter expert. And now I am working as a team lead for an AI healthcare project. So, the best thing about clinOXY, which for which I am very attracted, is that the clinOXY is not basically making a regular course which is there in market. clinOXY is more focused for job oriented courses. And here I have been appointed not as a trainer, not as a lecture giver. Basically, the team which they are hiring are the people are the one who are actually into in this job for more than a decade. Okay, so this is the best part here because we understand in life sciences being the opportunity and entering into the corporate for career building is very crucial. This is a very crucial gap which Satish has figured out, and he has taken a very nice initiative. So this course is really something very exciting and which is up to dated course which will make you to enter into the market, and in a very get set go position you will catch the pace. Okay, so we know that nowadays AI is booming everywhere. And first of all, we will go from basics. What is AI? What is clinical research? What is health informatics? We know that the clinical research process is a process where a particular medicine goes from bench side to bedside. Okay, so basically, clinical research involves multiple phases, and a drug can take more than 10 to 15 years or to undergo a clinical research study and then will be launched into the market. This can be the normal pace of the clinical research, the span which is required for a drug to happen. Now, with the help of artificial intelligence, we are smartly going to enhance the power, efficacy, and reduce the time of all these processes. Not completely, but yes, for most of the process which can be done. because we all are aware the time when we were appearing for subjective exams. Okay, whenever there were entrance exams and we used to write subjective paper and we used to get evaluated, at that time there was always a hidden feeling that no, the examiner may be biased, he was very good in that. But when the OMR sheet when the OMR system was incorporated, the fairness was very high, the speed was increased, the biasness was decreased. And now no one cares. No, the examiner for me could be different, strict and easy and other things. So in a similar fashion, when AI has entered into health informatics, clinical research, okay, then that will increase the speed, decrease the biasness, and boost this industries like anything. Okay, so basically clinical research is a study where a drug is conducted with respect to human subjects. Okay, and there are various preclinical stages also apart from this thing. Fine. uh, uh, okay. So therefore, the importance is in clinical research, we will make provisions where more number of drugs, more number of trials, more efficiency of this study can be increased. Okay. So basically, the process involves designing of the study, participation, recruitment of the clinical patients, which are basically human subjects, data collection, analysis, reporting of results. So all of this process is a multi-step process which requires proper regulation and ethics approval. Okay. So till now, I feel, please let me know, everyone, if you are facing any doubt in this thing. Am I clear at this stage?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Please let me know if you are feeling anywhere that we can always discuss this thing. Fine. Now, oh, coming to artificial intelligence. Okay. Artificial intelligence is very important. We know that nowadays AI is entering into AI is entering everywhere. Okay. So AI refers to the system, to the algo, which makes things very automatic and understood. Okay. So here, what we will do, we will take the help of AI for problem solving, pattern recognition, and decision making. So final thing that they will make a predictions, and then we will kind of validate that thing. Okay. And the other things which are there in the artificial intelligence, the key components of artificial intelligence is NLP and ML. Okay. So NLP stands for natural language processing. Okay. For most of the people who we know na, that Alexa, play this music. Alexa, please describe what is this. Siri, please tell us this. Okay, so nowadays it is becoming very common that we are using NLP in our day-to-day life, even for navigating when we are traveling, or even for some basic commands also. We are now incorporating NLP in our day-to-day life. Okay, so for this NLP, for example, those who are using the computers, whenever they are writing auto suggestion of grammar correction and everything, these are all part of NLP. Okay, so machine learning, learning, and NLPs, they are the core components of artificial intelligence. And now in this course in detail, we will study how these different components of the AI are important, and are going to be incorporated so that we can utilize, we can make, and we can execute the clinical studies or health informatics in a more efficient manner. Okay. So moving to the next slide, here we can see that what is basically health informatics. Health informatics is a little bit new terminology, and it's kind of hybrid also, whether health has been supported by technology, which is the AI thing. Okay, so health informatics is an interdisciplinary field where we are using this IT information in the form of AI to organize various health records so that our healthcare system be improved. For example, in India, India being one of the most populated country in the world. Okay, so management of such huge data with manual input will become very, very difficult. So with help, the way digitalization has occurred, so that is helping us to track the records of citizen. In a similar manner, if we can introduce AI or health informatics in our Indian healthcare system, so that will fetch the clinical data from this huge pool of population. Any clinical study, the sample size, the number of patients or subjects which are involved in this study definitely plays a very, very important role in the impact and strength of the study. For example, I have published a research paper with 500 individual study. And if the same paper is published with 50,000 or 5 lakh people, then the impact of the statement, no, this particular, the outcome of that publications will be very, very validated. Okay, so here you can understand in one of the simple example, that how healthcare incorporation will enhance the number of subjects which we are going to study, and how that is going to benefit the confidence of our outcome or our analysis. Okay, so healthcare basically, AI is a system which will fetch information from different healthcare informations. Okay, those informations can be basically in different forms. They can be your electronic health records. For example, in big hospitals like Zydus, Apollo, everything, whenever a patient is going, he is being assigned a particular number, and his history is maintained there forever. Okay, so that becomes its electronic health record. So such electronic health records, telemedicine, clinical decision support system, and health information exchange, so all are these going to play a very important role to boost our health informatics, because these are the basically components which will be utilized by AI to give the output. Is that clear? So I would like to ask Kalyani, Rohan, everyone from the audience, till now it is clear, or you have any doubt? Everyone, please tell that. Okay, so please let me know whether this is fine. Shall I move ahead? Okay, Kalyani, Rohan, anyone from team? Any queries, or it is clear till now?
Clear, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. Okay, so moving to the next slide, these are the systematic steps how we will proceed, how the AI can be incorporated into the clinical trials. The first step is that the in AI system, ethical regulations, because when you are dealing even with animals, then also there is a regulatory committee, ethical regulatory committee. Then obviously, when it is coming to human samples, when it is coming to human samples, then it will become more and more stringent that nothing wrong should happen to human as a clinical subject while for clinical trials. That's why the patient recruitment along with their consent, and they have been explained the possible risk factor associated with that. In AI can obviously help in smooth transition and recruitment of patient and control subjects for clinical studies, helping us and speeding up the process of registration, recruitment, and compilation of the data. Second thing is protocol design. Okay, so machine learning models, the way we are using ChatGPT nowadays, is again an example. So these machine learning models will optimize clinical trial protocols and predicting potential issues and suggesting improvements. Okay. Third is data analysis. Obviously, this is the main crux. This is the main power of AI. Whether they are utilizing the power tools to analyze the complex multifactorial data rather than going in a traditional method of data analysis, which can have human biasness, human error, unintentional human errors. Okay. So these, when these will be ruled out, then that will enhance the confidence level and authenticity of the study to many folds. Okay. Now, first of all, how that is going to help. For example, AI in health informatics transforming healthcare delivery. Recently, everyone is aware that we have faced a pandemic in 2020 that was almost spread for more than for around 2 years. So there were peaks when we realized that something, when you want to launch in emergency, for example, when in emergency you want to launch a drug, an injection, a vaccine. Okay. So again, that vaccine is going to be used for your human subjects. Okay. And the normal span of clinical trial is 15 years. And when a pandemic, sudden unknown thing has hitted, so that the vaccine needs to be developed in a very short span of time. Otherwise, pandemic is something which is going to kill people in a very large scale. Okay. People are going to be affected in large scale. That can be that can be a huge economic, social impact, full of damage. Okay. So in that case, again, AI was a very big support. The different tools of the AI, especially the bioinformatics tools, have helped the scientists across the world to collaborate and study and release remdesivir and other co-vaccine kind of vaccines for sudden release in the market, which has a huge benefit on the human race. So this is happening because predictive analysis can be done, is boosted with the help of AI. Okay. In a similar way, predictive diagnostics can be done for the regular time. Personalized treatment. Nowadays, the new era of medication will be personalized medication. I will get treatment based upon my genetic makeup, my family history of disorders, and my body comorbidities. Okay. And AI is also helping for hospital management. Okay. So we know a hospital is a very big system where the enrollment of the patient, keeping records of all the disorders, maintaining his past medical history, integrating the present clinical information from the physician, list of drugs he has been consumed, list of drugs for which he is allergic. All these are crucial data for a particular patient, and these all need to be managed by hospital along with other medical and medical device management. In that case also, AI is going to play a very, very crucial role. Okay. So hopefully everyone, I feel that you people are able to understand, or you will have a glimpse that how AI is penetrating to every walk of life, especially in health sector, and increasing and enhancing its effect. Okay. Coming to the next slide. Here we want to say that how AI is very, very helpful. Okay. So for clinical research and health informatics, a very simple example, the way we have just now discussed about COVID vaccine. So this is the recent, and I guess everyone has faced that situation. Okay. In 2021, in the April duration, when the second wave of COVID was hitting, so that was a very, very peak time of COVID. Then we were getting some bad news of the person to whom we are knowing till phase 1 or the pandemic lockdown 1. It was that we are seeing that these people number are dying. But in second wave, it was really, really worse, when we were seeing that people whom we know or who are our distant family members, they are also being affected by that thing. So imagine the rush, the steps taken by government for giving the vaccines. Okay, so that vaccine was so needed by everyone. Okay, so that vaccine did had some side effects that we are encountering now. Those side effects are because it was not completely clinically researched and released in emergency. Okay, but if AI has not powered that search, the outcome of the vaccines could be very full of side effects also. Okay, now after giving vaccines few times, we are facing that this is also correlated with blood clots and other things, heart attacks. Fine, but if the clinical, so here you can see the importance of clinical research. Wherever there is even a slight gap or slight thing is not fully tested multiple times, okay, what we call small n and capital N in clinical research studies. Okay, the time of the number of repetitions of study, the number of subjects, all of these things are very crucial for launching a drug into the market. So clinical research is nothing. Clinical research is something which is making a medicine from from bench side to bedside. Okay, and to make anything from lab bench to a patient bedside, first it needs to go through multiple phases. First is the phase, then will come in vitro studies phase. In vitro means that you are studying the impact of that particular medicine or active component in cells, cultured human cells, cultured animal cell lines, or primary cells. Then after completing the in vitro phase, that particular thing will go for animal studies. There you will be studying the same component on some mice or some other animal which is very close to human race. Okay, so that you in cell line you are having the effect of that drug in a particular cell line. But when you are studying that drug in an animal, then you are getting a better holistic view of the effect of that drug on a particular animal, where uh, in parallel to that cell line, multiple systems, cardiovascular system, neurovascular system, digestive system, all are studied and integrated. Okay, immune system, these will be studied. And then after animal studies, if it is crossing all the barriers successfully with all threshold levels, then this will be shifted to human clinical studies. And here comes the clinical research. Okay, so basically the AI is helping us for data integration. That AI will seamlessly integrate the diverse data from different sources. Okay, that different sources can be electronic health record. Okay, that sources can be physicians voice notes or different clinical notes. They can be history of present illness, clinical records. Rx stands for prescriptions, uh, electronic health records, or any form of physical records for the patients. Then there is a pattern recognition. Machine learning will help. After the AI has compiled all this data, then machine learning will, with the help of machine ML, that that ML will analyze and try to figure out a pattern out of the huge pool of health data. And then with the support of AI powered system, we will be able to make this decision. Okay, so everyone here, once again, I would like to notify the beauty of this course. Okay, this is the first course which I have came across. Otherwise, courses in artificial intelligence are available. Courses in clinical research are available. Okay, but a course which is combining both these things together, that is integration of AI in clinical research and health informatics, is one of the first course launched by clinOXY. Okay, and this course, I'm not emphasizing this thing particularly for this interesting information piece. Rather, this course is what are the MNCs, top MNCs and IT companies are minting lot of money. This is being commercialized and used for career building for many of the companies. Okay, now everyone is integrating AI into their system. Okay, and other IT companies also, they were previously they were pure IT companies. Now they are adding a subdivision of IT healthcare, where they want such kind of integration, such kind of studies, because in US, considering this is a remotely possible job, and so for the US, in India, the pool of talented people is very high. The manpower is affordable and economic as compared to the US rates. So this is the huge possibility, and it has a very good scope. Okay, so the US are highly interested for this thing. And apart from that thing, even Indian top MNCs and profitable firms, they are also entering into this domain. Okay, so here everyone should understand that this is something unique in market. Okay, you will search and you won't find that a proper certified organization is conducting such an interesting course. Okay, and it's not like that this course is going to be this much only. Here, later on, after the completion of this course, even we are going to guide you for the interview preparation. Mock interviews are going to be held. Okay, and we will train you that what could be the possible questions which are going to be asked in interview. And mostly at least one interview will be arranged for those who are enrolling for this course. Okay, so here a huge opportunity when you want to transit into a corporate sector. Okay, apart from the classical pharma studies, and a good crack to enter into the corporate sector and build your career. Even for those who are in life sciences, pharmaceuticals, everywhere. Okay, so normally what is that? These pharma companies, they are more supportive for pharma peoples. They give preference to pharma. That is more preferred thing. But here, life sciences and pharma both will have equal weightage when they want to enter into this domain. Okay. Apart from this thing, predictive analysis. So what will happen? AI tool will access the data in a very short span of time with lot of accuracy, but it will be obviously a mechanical thing. Basically, what the cues, what the NERs which we are going to label, that will be the outcome of the analysis. So somewhere human will have to feed some kind of information which the AI tool can churn and give the outcome. Okay, so AI systems improve over the time with new data. Obviously, if we are giving some new data and we are continuously feeding some new cues to the system, so that will keep on enhancing the quality of the study. Okay, fine. So I can't see the screen. Where is that? This chat box is. Ravi, please, can you help me with sharing of the screen? This chat box is coming. I don't know.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Yeah. Everyone, you can please tell me that if you are facing any doubt. Meanwhile, this. Oh, okay.
Ma'am, can you in the left side of the screen,
Yes.
in close option is there, ma'am? AI assistant beside that.
This one. Okay, this one hold. Yes, yes, yes. Sorry for the interruption, team. Yeah. So here, this is how the AI can be integrated for clinical research and health informatics. Anyone having any doubt? Harshvardhan, Sakshi, anyone? Please feel free to ask things. Okay. Now, in the next slide, we are going to address what is NER. NER basically stands for Name Entity Recognition.
Sorry
Okay.
for the interruption, Dr. Gargi, ma'am. Ma'am, beside AI assistant,
Yes.
into mark is there, ma'am. It's a close option button. So you can close that.
Okay. So
Click on that, ma'am.
this one? Yeah. Yes, yes. Okay, okay. Yes.
Top of the top, ma'am,
Yeah.
in the top.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. That's
Yeah. Thank you, Ravi, for assisting. And sorry for the interruption. So basically, team, here I want to introduce what is NER. NER is name entity recognition. So supposingly, I'm interested for a healthcare project. Okay. And in healthcare project, I want that a particular, all the diseases should be considered, all the medications should be considered, all the span of time, whether the patient has family history for that particular disease, what are the dose of different medicines, what is the name of medicines, all this information for around 20,000 patient records I want. So what I will do, I will make it as a project. Okay. And in that project, first of all, I will identify what are the NERs. So what are the terms which I want that my system should pick up. Okay. So NER will help the NLP technique to identify the spans from the whole list of document, and then it will process those things. Okay. So NER, what it will do, it is basically different names, entities. Okay. Entity is what? Any name is entity. Okay. Named NTR recognition means that whatever entities we are interested, let it be the name of disease, drug, dose, duration, history, family history. Okay. So all these are going to be your NERs, and these are going to be manually spanned and labeled. Okay. Then what will happen? The AI system will churn the data out of it, and it will give us a predictive study. Okay. So these are basically what these AI healthcare sectors are working majorly on it. Okay. Apart from the clinical research things. Okay. So to execute these tasks, there are different tools of healthcare AI. So in this course, in a wholesome, we are going to teach you different techniques. For example, what is NLP, what is ML, what are different tools with help of which you can standardly label and integrate the ontology linking, for example, ICD-10 coding, RX coding. Okay, so all these things, how you have to integrate, because these tools do have provision for that also. Okay, so here you have to understand what are the different tools. So tools can be of two types. There are standard tools like Brad, SageMaker, Amazon SageMaker. Okay, and apart from these tools, there are inbuilt personal tools for clients, which clients themselves give to different companies to work on, so that they can maintain the confidentiality. Okay. So the first tool which we are going to address is BRAT. BRAT is a versatile tool. BRAT stands for BRAT Rapid Annotation Tool. So these tools are platforms where you can label or annotate. Annotate means that you are labeling. So you can either annotate an image, a report, or a clinical health record, electronic health record. Okay. So there are different instructions that how step by step, making all these things are confidentials. So all of these things fall under human regulatory regulations. Okay. So they are ethically regulated, regulatory actions are there, and the way for clinical studies, ethical regulations are there. In a similar manner, whenever you are accessing the data, the clinical data in electronic forms, for example, EHR, this soft copy notes, so you have to follow HIPAA. Okay. HIPAA is again a regulation where they are protecting the personal identification data of a patient. So patient has a right whether he wants or doesn't want to reveal his data. Okay. So these tools are basically designed to work in a similar fashion. So the first step which any tool is going to do is that they will mask the original information of the patient. For example, if it is mind report, then first thing the tool will do, it will PHI. Okay, personal health information will be masked. It won't appear, or it will appear with any random word, so that my identity or identity of patient is maintained in a confidential manner. Okay, so that will be the first step. So this becomes your first responsibility. Then step by step, we will follow the tool guideline and start the thing. So first will be that we will prepare data. that we will select which type of health records we need to work on. Okay, let it be clinical records, EHRs, etc. Then we will develop model so that we want the information related to disease, patient, medication, whatever is our criteria, we will educate the tool. Okay, then we will feed the tool with training and tuning. Okay, then obviously the outcome can be realized. Here is the rare picture. You normally won't get this to observe. Okay, so these are kind of actual live images from the real task. So supposingly this is the clinical note. Okay, so this is how the clinical notes look like. Okay, so here you can see that whenever you are annotating almost all the cues which are given by the project specification. So if the project wants that all the anatomical sites and body system should be annotated, then wherever head, neck, tonsil, okay, neck. So wherever it is coming, it is going to pick that thing. Okay. And now then it will correlate. For example, it is head and neck cancer. Okay. So it will correlate the diagnosis with the cancer. So body side will be correlated with diagnosis. So this is just a simple line. There are going to be 20,000, 50,000 lakhs of sheets like this with multiple cues. So all of them will be studied and analyzed by the tool with respect to location, drug, test procedure, direction of the disease, part of the body, dose of the medication. Okay, what are different sign and symptoms for this particular disorder. For example, soft tissue fullness is one of the sign, palatine tonsil is sign. Okay, so all of these things are going to be integrated so that when the information is being compiled from over 20,000 to 50,000 data, so you can understand the authenticity or the average out or the conclusion of this exercise. Okay, so here is the actual image of Amazon SageMaker. Okay, so how the AI development and deployment is done here. Here it's a good example to see that thing. For example, in the first line you can see nuclear medicine PET. Okay, so medicine PET and CT. We know that PET is positron emission tomography. Okay, CT is again a test. So this will be labeled as a test. Okay, head and neck cancer means head and neck cancer is a diagnosis or disease, and head and neck are anatomical site. Okay, so in this project, supposingly they want that medical condition should be trifurcated in three parts, which is medical sign, medical symptom, and medical diagnosis. We know that if I am having pain in my right hand, so I can only tell to the doctor or to the physician that I am having pain in my right hand. So the things which are said by a person to physician, they are always symptom. Okay. So this project is taking care that the medical condition is whether sign, symptom, or diagnosis. So symptom is something which is very subjective, which a patient can only report. Okay. For example, nausea feeling, pain feeling, this can only be reported by the patient. So these are symptoms. Sign is which is reported by physician. Okay. And diagnosis is something which is a proper identified coded disease. Okay. So this is simply an example that how the tool is taken care even for small crucial details. Okay. Otherwise, usually when we read a medical record, we think vomiting, head cancer, neck cancer, these are all lying under same domain. But no, the tool is smart enough to bifurcate even the smallest level of detail is considered here. Same will happen with medication order or different other parameters. Okay. So this is how the SageMaker tool and Brad tool works. And apart from this, Task Monk and other tools are also there. And there are some private tools for client. they usually don't float that on Google because they have confidentiality clause. So this is again one of the example where the time span, diagnosis, hospital name, all these things are taken care. Okay. So this is a very good job opportunity for freshers in AI and healthcare. This is a place where you can think to build your career, because we know that Jeff Boyce retired and he has came back and joined so that he wants to boost his company with AI booster. Okay, he wants to again invest and explore a project in AI domain. So you can imagine the impact of AI, what it is going to have in everywhere, including healthcare domain. So if you are building a career, so in next 2 to 3 years, it will be very promising and in very demand. So here you can act as a data analyst. Initially, when you are entering, so they are also known as medical coder, data annotator, data analyst, clinical data associate, clinical data manager, data curator, clinical research, pharmacovigilance, regulatory affairs. Okay. So these are the different, and you can also act, if you are expert, then you can also serve as subject matter expert. Okay, so these are the entry level positions. If you are a PhD, then you can enter as a SME. If you are a grad and post grad, then you can enter by these things. So junior AI developer, database programmer, database designer, okay, clinical research associate, vigilance associate, drug safety associate, medical writer, medical scribe. So these are all opportunities which you will get after, which you can get, or which you can make after entering into this course. And here is the glimpse that clinOXY, and we are offering 3 different forms of this course. AI in clinical research and health informatics. We have 3 courses. One is regular course, one is regular course is of 3 months, advanced diploma is of 4 months, and postgraduate diploma is of 6 months. So uh, everyone, are you getting this thing, or you have any doubt for this?
No.
Fine, thanks. So here is the, yeah. So here basically is that how AI is helping in medical imaging and precision medicine. Okay, so medical imaging, we know that radiologists are in high demand, because radiology work is the one work after the imaging that has whole possibility for automation. That's why AI in radiology is making a very huge impact. So that will increase the accuracy. For example, there is a report of MRI, CT, and ultrasound reports. So they can be read by the AI machine. Fine. So they will read and give a predictive analysis out of it, and then this can be validated by the physician. Genomic data analysis. We know that the genomic information is a very huge information. For example,
Hello, sorry to interrupt, Dr. Gargi. Can you please go back? And this is the
sure.
curriculum actually. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
From here. No,
Yeah.
no, back. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Next slide. Next slide. 39. Yeah, 21. Yeah, this is the course curriculum actually. You can explain in that way. Yeah,
Yeah.
course
Thank
curriculum
you.
is this.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Satish, for this. Okay, so team, this is basically our course, which is divided into 3 parts: regular course, advanced diploma, and postgraduate diploma, which is of 3, 4, and 6 months respectively. And here is the outline of the course content. So basically what we are going to study what are AI and different forms of AI. For example, generative AI, narrow AI, what is machine learning, NLP, computer vision. All these things are going to be AI thing. And then machine learning fundamentals, that how supervised, unsupervised reinforcement learning is done, so that it can add on to this thing. And then we will explore different tools and platforms for AI integration. Okay, and this will include various tools like Brat and Amazon SageMaker, and they will also address different softwares, for example, Python, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. These will be given brief introduction how these are basically used for Amazon SageMaker, Brat, and other tools to analyze and give the outcome. Okay, so again, we will also study how AI has powered drug discovery, and our course will also have case studies. We will have a case study how this Covaxin was introduced in emergency and how AI has helped for that. AI in clinical trials, how that is boosting and filling the gaps. So that will be done with the help of AI. And AI has obviously different roles in different domains. One is your genomic data analysis. We know that human genome is a big database. Every individual's data is 3 billion data nucleotide base pair data is there, and to get cues out of it is a tough job to do manually. So different softwares are there, and they can be powered with AI. Okay, and obviously in health monitoring and telemedicine, for example, during pandemic, Practo and other modes were very common, and even Visit, Practo, and other things were launched where without the contact of patient and physician, they can get counseled for possible diseases, not for everything, because few of them required, but for the common conditions, symptom evaluation, those things, a telemedicine platform is also made and that is also powered by AI. So AI has definitely a very huge impact on healthcare management and health informatics. So first thing is that it manages the huge data chunk with great efficiency. So helps in the workflow optimization. It helps in by giving prediction. It helps in giving cues for clinical data decision support. And AI innovations, obviously the predictions of the AI help us to make a guess. The best example is whenever you do bioinformatics studies. Okay, so bioinformatics studies and 3D protein modeling give us a predictions that this model of the protein or this model of the drug fits very much into the active site. Okay, so based upon those bioinformatics predictions, we pick that particular drug, possible drugs, and they are only released for clinical trials. Okay, this is how the AI is helping into the health informatics thing is helping. And in our project, in our this course, we will have hands-on project. I will give you the actual look of the tool, how it works and how we are working. Okay, so this is a rare thing which I don't think normally anyone is going to provide. They will tell you what are different NERs, why they are labeled, but on tool practice, it's something very rare. We will help you to understand how scientific writing and reporting is done. Okay, because scientific writing and reporting is also a career way to make your career, and will obviously be helpful everywhere in your career domain. Future trends and career paths will be discussed. Okay, and coming back to the explanation of our curriculum, so our comprehensive course structure, which was divided into 3 parts. One is our basic course, one is advanced course, and one is our postgraduate diploma course. So the
Excuse me,
basic
ma'am.
course.
Sorry to interrupt you.
Yes.
Sorry to interrupt you, Gargi. Ma'am, we are going to explain this about this training program.
Okay, okay,
Thank you for your wonderful and valuable session, ma'am,
yeah.
about artificial intelligence in clinical research and health informatics.
Thank you, Ravi. Thank you, everyone. I would like to ask the audience if there is any doubt, then I will be happy to solve that. Please
Yeah,
let me know if you have any doubt.
yeah, a small note. So access to the tools will be provided during the course training, and we expect some access even after the course because it takes
No,
sometimes
no. Even
to.
after course, not it will be the access
Okay.
step by step. Okay, the original tool, how you are actually working, that that will be shown here. Okay. And whatever doubts are there, we are, even after the course duration, we are going to assist you for if you are having any technical doubt also, that if this is given, how we have to execute and that things with interview preparations. Because already I am into this process of hiring, making a team, and onboarding annotators, clinical researchers. So I am doing that part. So we will definitely make the interaction and study material or queries based upon that thing. Okay.
So,
Later on, we
but
cannot give the tool access. Sorry
okay,
for that, because
okay,
that has HIPAA regulation and other things. But
okay,
definitely you will get a detailed overview. You won't have to imagine how the tool looks. Okay. You will be
okay,
very clear. For supposingly, we will teach you how to drive a car. Then it's
okay,
up to you whether a Jeep is given, a Mercedes is given, a Maruti is given. Okay. How you are going to drive, that are the different tool. We will give you a proper introduction of a prototype tool. Okay. And then based upon the guidelines, client's requirement, project thing, the NERs will change. There will be slight modification. The way, if you know car driving and what are different variants of cars. Okay. So you have to understand here we are going, I'm going to teach you car driving. Okay. Driving
okay.
Mercedes, driving Jeep or driving truck is up to you. Okay. So
So
that,
we'll during
yeah.
the course training, we'll be part of a prototype project. That is what you're saying.
Yes, part
Okay.
of prototype project, not to be precise, it will be
Mm.
that you will get well versed with the tool. That is what
Okay.
I want to say. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I want to add one thing, Dr. Gargi. Thank you so
Yes.
much. Yeah, Sai Pavan, during the period of training program, our mentors, our experienced professionals are going to explain by using screenshots and all the pictures of the actual software. By that, you will get to know that the originality of the process flow, how it will be, how the all the screens are working, how the options are working, what is the process flow of each tab to another tab. As Dr. Gargi told that we are going to teach you and show you how the software is going to work. Clear, because all these softwares are so expensive, as well as, and these are the corporate licensed softwares. So in
Yes.
one company they are going to use software A, the same process another company will use software B, and software C will be another company. So here the matter is not the software. The ultimate goal of you as an attendee, as a learner, how the process it will be, how the principle it will be. There is no doubt at all. You are going to learn the different tabs, different sections, different options of all the softwares. Okay, Sai Pawan?
Okay.
Yeah, great then. Thank you so much. And if any one of you guys are having inroads, please ask. Still, Dr. Gargi is here and
Hello.
she will clarify all your doubts.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. How can we ensure the security and privacy of the patient data when we using AI tools in
Fine, I will explain you. That's a very, very valid and this is also answer to the first question by Sai. What is happening? We cannot give access and we cannot share the data without masking is because whatever, supposingly, if I want to share my clinical record, okay, what is my name, what is my age, what is my address, okay, what is my doctor's name. So these all informations come under PHI. PHI is protected health information. PHI in this course, in our course, we will have a separate session for this PHI and HIPAA also. So PHI and HIPAA is Accountability Act for prevention of the personal data. Fine. So these two things regulate and they make us strict for any company, anyone that who is accessing patient's data now, the name, the original date, the original address, the original doctor name, the original medical facility name. So they are all either they need to be masked. Masked means that they need to be black highlighted or they need to be jumbled with some random name or dates. Okay. So this is the first practice. First thing, what you do when you get clinical notes in your hand, the first thing which the tool is going to do is that it is going to PHI your data. Okay, PHI your data means that it will mask. There are different 19 categories of PHI. Those are again a whole together different topic. So these 19 category of all information, first that need to be masked, either replaced with the original information or with some random XSYY letter. Okay, then these PHI data is used for second step, that is NER labeling and annotation. Is this clear? This much is clear to you? This is the standard protocol which is given by the in 1997 Bill Clinton passed this HIPAA Act. Okay, and in this HIPAA Act it was taken into the consideration with the US. I'm talking about US healthcare projects and even for the European projects also. The similar way US is having HIPAA, European have their own standard guidelines. But yes, in everywhere, the personal information of patient, doctor, and medical facility address, these are not revealed. Okay, that is the standard basics of a basic ethics of AI labeling of clinical notes.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. And ongoing future projects on this AI?
Sorry, can you ask again?
Ongoing future projects mean like in
Yeah,
clinical research?
ongoing future projects, definitely there are a lot of projects. Okay, different types of projects. For example, once we are done, so there are medical organization who want to AI the radiology report analysis. Okay, because the radiologists, first of all, the radiologists are charging a lot. And second thing is that the radiology report, if it is being analyzed, what is happening in the US, they are scanning the reports and sending to the radiologist to other places. They are also analyzing and giving them back. So this gave them the clue that it's better if we can make a tool which is where the information is feeded by radiologists themselves, that if this kind of lesion is there, so this is indicating of this prediction. So when 1,000 lakhs, 10 lakhs data for particular Q is there, that increases the confidence of the AI tool. So the AI tool can more accurately predict the study the scan and give the analysis. And that predictive analysis will be definitely validated by some physician, and then only it is going to be released. So lot of future such things can happen easily. The AI thing is there, clinical research is there, the hospitals, the molecular testing labs, they also have these platforms which are called LIMS. Okay, so they have the platform, whether in the platform, for example, during COVID or pandemic. Okay, when I was in that particular molecular diagnostic lab, there were days when we were handling more than 6,000 samples of different individuals. So we needed a tool, and all this information we have to report to local government, that is government of Gujarat, as well as to ICMR Delhi also at that time, every day. Because you must be seeing on news, there was news that these are the number of cases in India. How they are getting that thing? Because every day lab who is NABL is giving the data to ICMR. That was rule. Okay, so we need a software. Okay, this huge pool of data, 6,000 data for a single day for a lab, along with testing, managing such huge pool is manually, that will be very, very difficult. So what happens? We assign a barcode, and that barcode is scanned at different level, and that AI tools, they help us to integrate that. Suflam and other tools are there. Those are known as lab information management system. Okay, so here again the role of AI is there. In a similar way, hospitals also have there. We are also using, even in our driving also we are using these things. Even for listening music also we are using. So obviously these medical facilities, they are also going to properly, they are killing the AI thing to make their things more efficient basically. Is it clear now?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. Any other question, please?
Yeah, hi, doctor.
Hi.
Can you please elaborate regarding article publication, means how we would be part of that?
Okay, so here basically we will give you a training that how a properly, for example, a research article can be of different categories: review article, research article, letter to editor, short communications. So we will give you a brief that basically how these four are different, what should be the pattern of information you need to have, okay, and how you can how you have to write, what are the precautions you need to write. But obviously we don't okay, we will give all the training and necessary instructions which one should know for writing these different forms of this thing, okay, these medical report medical articles, okay. For example,
Okay.
if there is a Nature's publications is there, they don't have limit for your piece of study to be given as a whole research article. So they will say, and Nature is a high impact journal. You know, we all know that. So what we will do, they will suggest that write this research article in a form of letter to editor, which is hardly a 1 page article. So in that time, what things are of main crux one should know. So that kind of training is provided here. Anyone else?
Ma'am,
Yes,
we are
please.
going to share the PPT, ma'am. So we will start sharing the presentation. Can you stop the sharing the presentation?
I have to stop the.
Yes, yes, ma'am. We are going to take the access.
Okay. So basically, okay, fine. Okay. Okay.
Hello, everyone. Let me introduce about our training programs in artificial intelligence in clinical research and health informatics. We have 3 months training program, 5 months training program, and 6 months training program. 3 months training program, we call it as skill oriented training program. In the 3 months of training program, you will get a artificial intelligence in clinical research and health informatics, and you are going to learn about soft skill training, interview preparations, replacement training, and you will get a certification from Indian Pharmaceutical Association. And apart from this, you will get a different accreditations like IEEE, ISO, NSDC, Skill India, and MSME. And coming to advanced diploma in artificial intelligence in clinical research and health informatics training program, you will get a 5 months course completion certificate and internship certificate and American Accreditation Association certificate. In this training program also, first training program, you will get only one certificate, that is course completion certificate. And in the advanced diploma training program, you will get a 3 certifications. First one is course completion, second one is internship certificate, third one is American Accreditation Association certificate. And coming to postgraduate diploma, means PG diploma in artificial intelligence in clinical research and health informatics. This program having a duration of 6 months, and you will get here 5 months course completion certificate, internship certificate, American accreditation certificate, and you will get article publications in this. And you can having a add-on course, means any one module you can take as an option either in public health or in medical scribing. Here the benefits of this 6 months of duration training program, here you are going to receive 4 certifications. First certificate is course completion certificate through IPA and all accreditations of in India. And second one is internship certification. And third one is American Accreditation Association certification. And fourth one is either public health or either medical scribe. any one module. Okay, and I will show you one of the sample certificates and how American accreditation it is. So this is a the global power of clinOXY course completion certificates through IPA, LSSDC, MSME, and NSDC. So here you can see our accreditations what we have. This is a one of candidate course completion certificate. How you can we are going to give you after completion. This is only the course completion certificate, postgraduate diploma, artificial intelligence in clinical research and health informatics. You can see here all the accreditations. The main one is through IPA, Indian Pharmaceutical Association. And this is the second one certification. This is a internship certification. So in India, no other institution providing course complete internship certification. Everyone having access to provide normal other institution certifications or different accreditations of in India. But no other institution in India having a Indian Pharmaceutical Association certification or accreditation. You will get approved by IPA majorly. Second thing, and this is our American Accreditation Association, the global power of American Accreditation Association certification. So what is this means? You can unlock the opportunities worldwide. How? So clinOXY providing additionally American Accreditation Association approved course completion certificate, which is globally recognized and having more weightage to the resume. In India, in India, we are only the one clinOXY Solutions Private Limited institution and clinical research organization having a American Accreditation Association in India. So we having a certificate number TP24839 registration number. So you can see here we having if anyone is taking the training in our clinOXY Solution Private Limited, if they want any international recognition, you will get this American Accreditation Association certificate. This is a sample certificate. You can see this main uniqueness is like your 10th class marks memo or degree marks memo. You will get a certification with your photo in the website of American government. American Accreditation Association website. You will receive the certification after course completion like this. You can see here, you will get a photo, the picture, and your what you done a course here with your certification number and registration ID also. Okay, and you can see here we having a advantages we have. You will get a custom QR code. If you want to share to anyone, if anyone is going to scan, directly you will receive. They are going to enter into directly in the American website and they can have access to see your certificate. Same, you have a custom URL code. If you want to put in your LinkedIn or else if you want to share to any employee or any authority member, any company, they're having a direct access to directly click. If they are clicking on this URL code, your certification is going to visible to them. And if you want to go for the abroad opportunities, so I will show you once how it is going to for your information. I'm typing here how it is going to. Just a moment. Okay. Okay. So let's see later. I'll explain you clearly. So yes. So this key uses and global recognition of American Accreditation Association certificate. If you want to go for any university admissions in worldwide, any college, any country, if you want a top college, so you have a prestigious global institutions entry with this American Accreditation Association. If you want a tier 1 college, tier 2 college in America or USA or Europe, any country in globally, so you will get that college admission with an easy manner. And international licensing exams, if you want to write assist like NAPLEX, TOEFL, GRE, CAPS, ESI, and SPLE, and DHA, and PBC, Canada. So, and industry recognitions like knowledge by top CRO companies in there. So if you want to go for any top CRO companies like IQVIA, Paraxel, LabCorp, Fortrea, Seniors, Novartis, Novo Nordisk, Thermo Fisher. So industry recognitions, which having that recognition, we have a AAA accreditation association certification. So it is easy way to get a chance into the top MNC and CRO companies. And if you are going for the job, government job opportunities, so like positions, if we are preparing for CDSCO, drug inspector, railway job opportunities, hospitals, and many more, this certification weightage upon your resume, and it is valid globally, and it is valid nationally also. So these are the key uses of global accreditation. See, unique features of American accreditation certificate from clinOXY. Here it is very easy to understand you guys how American accreditation is going to help you. So personal design with your picture, and the online visibility in their website with your registration number, and the easy access of sharing URL code, and instant access of QR code. Everyone can see, and you can share to anyone, any recruiter or any HR, any company or anything, any college website, any college ambitions. So see, advancing your career with American Accreditation Association certification. See, global academic advancement, professional licensing, industry recognition, government sector opportunities. What I explained previous slide, here it is very easy to understand here within a 4 points. Okay. Yes. So see, we are going to start a batch in next week only. We have only limited 20 seats. We are not going to take a batch of more than 20. So anyone who are ready to join this training program, you can join, and you can call to us. Our number +91 7416096799. You can save this number, and you can message immediately. Our academic counselors and senior counselors and admission counselors are there to guide you, to help you, to assist you, and to give you more information about this. So we have only limited seats for this batch. So anyone is interested, just just a message or call to this number. And guys, we have our director, visionary director Satish Kumar Vemarpusar in this session to clarify your doubts about whatever about this session. So if you have a doubts about this session, any doubts, our Satish Kumar Vemarpusar is ready to clarify and give you all the doubts and more information about this session. So anyone, guys, you can unmute yourself and ask your question, or else you can type in the chat box.
Yeah, Ravi, thank you, Ravi, thank you so much. Yeah, Lakshmi is asking like, what is the cost for this course? So usually the cost of this course is very high, and if it is in abroad, okay. In India, we are the only organization introducing dual course in clinical research and health informatics, that too through AAA, American Accreditation Association, and Indian Pharmaceutical Association. The certificate is global recognition. We are going to give you individual QR code, individual URL, and your certificate will be visible and updated in American website with your picture. So this is what the weightage of certificate through clinOXY and AAA. So as introduced, as explained by Ravi, okay. So we have three different of types of courses: postgraduate diploma, advanced diploma, and regular job oriented training program. Okay. Yeah, obviously. And can we get job with this certificate? No, not with this certificate. I'm telling you, with this certificate you will get recognition. With the knowledge what we are sharing through the entire training program, through that you are going to get good opportunity in the corporate company. Okay. This certificate will help you to screen in the interview. This certificate and the knowledge and the course what you are doing in clinOXY, what you completed, for sure it will help you to get opportunities in the corporate company. Yeah. Anyone, come on. If any one of you guys are having doubt, kindly unmute and ask, or you can message in the chat box as well. Come on. Yeah. Anyone? Dheeraj, Chandana, Sahitya, Likita, Yashwanta, Kavya. Yeah, what is the fee for this for the three courses? Yeah, usually I told, right, very less amount, no need to worry about that. That will be discussed by our admission counselor. Kindly call and save our phone number, +917416096799. Our team member admission counselor will explain you about the content and the course curriculum, everything, what are the timelines, duration, how we are going to support you for the opportunity and guide you for the opportunity and assist you. We will explain you clearly. Okay, and you can save our phone number and you can call. Yes, yes, Upasana. This course includes a placement assistance and guidance. Absolutely correct question. Exactly. 5 months job guidance and one scheduled interview. We will support you and encourage you. There is no doubt at all. After the training program, we will give you 5 months job guidance and assistance. We make sure that we will conduct one scheduled interview from the companies as well. Yeah. Yeah. Timings, it will be in the evening time only, Saipawan, because most of the students and professionals, working professionals, are going to usually join in this type of courses, as you know. So this will be after 6, 6:30, 7:30, like that, only in the evening. Yeah. And currently this course is available in online, because most of the students are looking for online courses only. And if you travel towards the office or main or branch to the training institute, and you may need to spend thousands of rupees for the hostel accommodations and that. So initially we introduced online program, and it is very very effective. No need to worry about that. Daily sessions also we will record, live sessions. That recording sessions also we are going to share with you every weekend for the future learnings. Yeah. And we are going to share you lot of materials which are related to health informatics, clinical research. Okay, and we already we are my team already introduced that, explained that in PG diploma we are going to give additional courses like public health and medical scribing. As we know, public health is more demandable course in India and abroad as well. Medical scribing, we can get more than 1 lakh rupees if you cross 3 or 4 years experience in medical scribing, along with artificial intelligence techniques. For sure you have plenty of opportunities future. So most of the guys, and we are suggesting that go for PG diploma course. It's a 6 months course. By that you are going to learn about three different types of modules: artificial intelligence in clinical research, artificial intelligence in clinical health informatics, either public health or medical scribing. Okay, yeah. Now it is a completely online course we are providing, Nidha, Fatima. And what is the starting package that we expect after completing this course? Yeah, that's completely based on your skill set. Okay, Lakshman, it's not related to you are done with the course in a clinOXY or some other way or something, you will get 1 lakh rupees per month. It's not the way. Okay, completely based on your skill set, your communication skill, and your presentation skill, and the company what you are applying for. Okay, so the minimum salary I can say, and around 20,000 to 40,000 or 45,000. And again I'm telling you in a very transparent manner that is based on your skill set and what you learn during the program. That is what. Okay, and I can say 20,000 to 45,000 you are going to get, and every year it will be around 10% to 15% hike will be there in your current salary. And once you done your 2 years or 3 years experience from India, you may have chance to get opportunity in abroad as well. Okay, yeah. Yeah, you can save our phone number. Yeah, Mortuja, you can take our phone number 7416096799. Yeah. And sir, I want to go abroad for this MS in health informatics. I have time for 6 months after completion of B Pharmacy to get there. I want to take this after completion of my B Pharmacy before go there. Is this absolutely Jahnavi? There is no doubt at all. Because in India, you learn something about health informatics and artificial intelligence. And if you go for abroad, okay, and you got you may get good seat in good university. For sure our training program will help you. There is no doubt at all. The same course in abroad, it will be around 15 lakhs rupees. Got it? 15 lakhs rupees. And recently, one of our student who got admission in Texas University, I think so, and he paid 12 lakhs 75,000 rupees. Related course, not exactly artificial intelligence and health informatics as well. So you have very good chance and an opportunity. In India itself, you learn about advanced technology, advanced course. Make sure that how you are preparing for the opportunity. That is what important it is. You are learning something new, then you have very good future in future in corporate companies. So just go with the PG diploma course. There is no doubt at all. Anyhow, you have time for 6 months, right? And you can take the PG diploma course. Yes, yes, yeah.
Sir Bhavesh Gires is asking what is the eligibility for this course?
Yes, Bhavesh. All the life sciences graduates can get into this artificial intelligence in clinical research and health informatics. B Pharmacy, M Pharmacy, PharmaD, BHMS, BUMS, MDS, BDS, absolutely dental, and MBBS, physiotherapy, allied sciences, and agriculture, BSc, MSc, biotechnology, microbiology, and biomedical engineering, including nursing. All the life sciences graduates are eligible. We can work in clinical research, we can work in pharmacovigilance, we can work in clinical data management, we can work in medical writing, we can work in medical devices and regulatory affairs too. We have plenty of opportunities in medical scribing, public health, artificial intelligence, and health informatics. So, due to unawareness, due to lack of awareness, we are not grabbing those opportunities. So, during our training program, not only focusing on health informatics and clinical research, we are focusing on your placement trainings also. We are going to support you to prepare ATS friendly resume, Naukri setting, LinkedIn setting, email writing. We are going to conduct nearly 5 to 8 oral presentations, around 5 mock interviews we are going to conduct, many presentations, many interactions. Every 2 weeks we have test and quiz. Got it? So the certificate what you are getting from clinOXY through IPA and LSSDC and AAA is global recognition. Okay? Yeah. And if any one of you guys are still having doubts, you can ask. So all life sciences graduates can take second year, third year, fourth year, final year students and who are planning for abroad na, and kindly do this course, get certificate from AAA for your visa process. There is no doubt at all. Our students who completed the courses from clinOXY, they applied for admissions in top universities in UK, Netherlands, and one more, I think Europe. They got good seats in good universities in health informatics, regulatory affairs, and pharma MBA, I think so, and management, artificial intelligence also. So our certificate is having global recognition. Visa process will become very easy, and while interviewing candidate in visa, and they may identify your credentials in your university also. They will identify our certificate. There is no doubt at all. Yeah. Anyone? Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Come on. I need your response. Sahiti, Ishwan, everyone. Jahnavi, Piyusha, Tagore, Sai, Abhishek, Upasana, Madhu, Drakshayani, Shambhu Kumar, Sai Pawan, everyone, Nidha, Shravani, Rohan, Bhavesh, Siddharth, everyone. It's a request for you guys. When you are going to join any session, okay, kindly join with your full name. Okay, don't forget. It won't be reflect, right? Your mobile, the mobile model or something. Okay, it should be with your name only. Yeah, come on. Anyone? Do you have any doubts? Shambhu, Sai Pawan?
Yeah, I mean, without access to the tools, it is difficult to master it, right? Generally, that is the case with the softwares. So that's what
No,
I'm
it's
thinking.
not like that. So
Without
here the thing
on-hands
is,
training, it
yeah,
is
yeah,
difficult
yeah,
to master the
yeah,
software.
exactly. No, it's not like that, Pawan. So here it is. You are going to learn about how the process it will be, how the software it will be. You are going to learn about how the tabs will work. Everything you are going to learn. If you feel it is difficult, everything will become difficult. You have to challenge everything. Then only you learn something new. Got it? So accessing all these softwares and all, as you know, so much of cost. It will be around 25 lakhs to 35 lakhs.
Okay.
So if you
Okay.
learn about in a prototype way, access to all the screens and all the tabs, then you will have a rough idea. You will
Okay.
reach nearly 90%. There is no doubt at all. Once you
Okay.
join in the organization, obviously we have training on softwares, then
Okay.
you will get easily into the play, into the production. There is no doubt at all. We are observing, right? We are observing. Got it? We are observing students and who are trying under clinOXY, they are performing very well in the corporate companies. And you won't feel there is a gap in between our training program and the company. There is no doubt at all. That is what our curriculum it is. Our curriculum is aligned with the standards of American accreditation. That is the only reason we got AAA. Otherwise, no. You can also check. No organization in India, clinical research, especially through edutech industry, doesn't have AAA accreditation. No, because our course content, course curriculum, what we are following, our testing methodology, quiz methodology, our interaction, our mentors, right? Our sessions, everything is aligned with the international standards. Many institutes are there, right? Many are there, many organizations are there, right? Everyone in every institute goal and their dream and their vision towards to teach their students in a better way to get their opportunities. Got it? They help them to get good opportunities. Every institute, right? Like was clinOXY having broaden area of vision towards every student who are joining in clinOXY, make them understand about the particular content, make them aware about the content, make them aligned with the market, and make them ready for the opportunity. Clear? So not all the institutes are aligned with the market. Okay, just they are giving a certificate. That's it. Most of the institutes, I can say, right? Most of the institutes, and few institutes are there. They are recognized. Kindly to remember that recognized institute is different. Okay, normal organization is different. Okay, according to that they only they affiliations, they are having affiliations, accreditations, and all these certifications and all. Okay. Yes, Sai Pawan, no need to worry about it. We will learn in a practical way. Yeah. Anyone? Kavya, Tejashwini, clear? Do you have any doubts? Chandana, Sahiti, do you have any doubts? Sushma, Ramchandran, Tagore?
Yeah, yeah, a small doubt. Whether there are courses in foreign universities which are similar, which teach similar content as this, which will serve as a like a extinction to this training. So, are there any universities offering such things?
In India, you are asking?
India or foreign, both?
Foreign, many are there. I don't want to name it. Okay. Okay, many are there. In India, I think only one. Yeah, no other organizations are there. I think so. I think so. Yeah. But when it comes about dual program in artificial intelligence and clinical research and health informatics, we are the only organization in India. Dual course with the AAA certification. Yeah. Dheeraj. Okay. And Likita, do you have any doubts? Nita? Rohan?
Yeah, I have small doubt like
And yes, Rohan.
I heard
So
that
we are going to
suppose
start
for
new
medical
batch from
coding
next
we
week.
can work as a freelancer also. So,
Just
are
a
sim
second, Sai Pavan. I'll
yeah,
address your question.
yeah.
Yeah, Rohan, we are going to start our new batch from next week onwards. You can save our phone number. You can talk to our team, admission concept. They will explain about the further process and all. Okay, we will announce the date when we are going to start the new batch. You can save our number. Rohan, you can save our number 74160 96799. Okay, thank you. Yes, Saibon, go ahead.
Any freelancing opportunities will be there, for this kind of jobs.
Yeah, obviously, for every department we have freelancing opportunities. Not only this department and all. How much you are capable, how much you are having skill, how much you are aware about the process, that will help you to get freelancing opportunity. Freelancing opportunities are based upon your network. Okay, how much you are active in the LinkedIn. By that you will get numerous number of connections. By that you may get chance of working as a freelancer as well. Okay, yeah. Yeah, Tejashwini, do you have any doubts? Sushma, Piyusha, Likta, Siddharth, do you have any questions, Siddharth? No. Shravani, do you have any questions? Do you have any questions, anyone? Okay, then. Once again, thank you so much for your time. Okay, I hope you guys learned something new from this session. So, thanks once again being here to learn something new which is aligned with the market and trends. So, you can save our phone number +917416096799. For sure, you will be benefited from this training program of PG diploma or advanced diploma or job oriented training program. As you are getting different types of certifications from different affiliations and accreditations, you will be benefited. There is no doubt at all. And to increasing compliance, integrity, and quality of teaching and mentoring, we are just limiting the seats for every batch. We are going to take only 20 seats, 20 admissions for this AI in clinical research and health informatics. Okay, and kindly don't be late. Please call and message us and go with the further process. Okay, and once again, thank you so much, everyone. Wishing you good luck. Yeah, Ravi, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you just go ahead with the vote of
Yes.
thanks.
So
Just
thank
a
you
second.
everyone joining the clinOXY session today. So hope you enjoyed the session. Kindly contact us if you have any queries. Don't hesitate to call back to this number. So thank you everyone. Thank you guys.